Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Mainstream. Mainstream means conventional ideas or activities. For example, companies that are bringing computers to the mainstream of American life. Companies that are bringing computers to the mainstream of American life.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Before computers entered the mainstream, talented programmers were rare. Now, repeat after me. Before computers entered the mainstream, talented programmers were rare. The second exemplar. Its attitudes to women also place it outside the mainstream. Now, repeat after me. Its attitudes to women also place it outside the mainstream. The third exemplar. We predict whether the mainstream will adapt those attitudes or not. Now, repeat after me. We predict whether the mainstream will adapt those attitudes or not.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Only 2 English words in current use end in "gry". They are angry and hungry.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.